Yeah.
Game come to.
Everyone likes to stab.
You're talking about going the distance and fight. I think my favorite tournament I ever fought was in Crown when I got to the final three.
Oh, wow.
Mahadi and who was the other one? I remember his face, but I don't remember his name right now.
What, there for that? Yeah, I mean, I've been.
They gave me the King's Blade of Honor.
Cool.
That was my favorite tournament because
Yeah,
there
you
were
got
so
the damn
many
King's
good
Blade of Honor,
fighters.
dude.
Jesus. If we could just outlaw thrusting for Lachlan.
Yeah, the whole, I mean, Aaron, Lachlan, all the guys are just really good at it.
Oh, they're wonderfully good.
It's really taken hold of it, it's like, since they're pretty much jousting now. Any more in you there?
It's not going to be as good, but I got one left in me.
Well, I mean, you gotta make it worth your while.